How to replace a 2021 GMC Canyon 4-button remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Let's replace the battery on our GMC Canyon 4-button remote. For this task, you will need your remote, new battery, which is a CR2032, and a flat tip screwdriver. Go ahead. If you have a keyring attached right here, you will need to remove that. Take the flat tip, insert it right in here. Go ahead and rotate. Slide it to the other side, rotate, and the back cover comes off. Now that it has, you see this bigger spot on your remote. That is what you're going to aim for when you put your finger down in the middle of the battery. Put it down, pull towards that, and when you do, push down, and the battery pops up. And as you notice, it's a CR2032. This is a new remote, so I'm going to put this battery back in. Notice how I drop it in. Reverse the process, push down. Then after you push it down, push it back. So you'll come in to get under here. Once it gets under, push it back because you want to know that lip. Your back cover has them 3 indentations. Those need to go on first. There you go, you changed out your battery. Hey, thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.